A AT51160 is an efficient and precise 160 channel resistance testing device, specially designed for batch testing. It supports 10 modules for parallel scanning, and can complete all channel tests in the fastest 1.1 seconds. The measurement range covers 1 to 200 K, with an accuracy of 0.05%. Each channel has an independent comparator setting and is equipped with a contact failure detection function. Basic introduction. The measurement display page mainly highlights the measurement results and allows direct settings for the range and trigger. The instrument has 3 triggering methods: manual, bus, and internal. The measurement shows that the function keys can be used to select the scanning mode. In single-channel testing, the option to increase or decrease the current test channel can be chosen. Each module has 16 channels. The instrument has 10 modules. You can select the corresponding module using the function keys. The instrument will display the corresponding test results based on the module that is open. Press the function key settings to enter the settings page. On this page, the instrument does not perform measurements. It only allows for the setting of relevant parameters of the instrument. The contact check can be enabled or disabled. Minimum channel delay, 10 ms, maximum, to seconds. Users can choose between continuous scanning or channel-based measurement. The module can be set for either a single module or all modules. Each module can be individually set for its measurement range. Users can sort and associate audible alerts for pass or fail test results through simple setup steps. Once the comparator is enabled, if any channel reaches the audible trigger condition during the test, an alert sound will be triggered. Once the comparator upper limit is set to infinity, the instrument comparator will only judge the lower limit. Anything exceeding the lower limit will be displayed as OK, while anything below the lower limit will be displayed as NG or low. The USB data recording settings page allows for the creation of up to 1,000 files. You can also delete the unnecessary files immediately. The file format is fixed as CSV format. All the settings on the system configuration page will be automatically saved in the system and will be loaded automatically the next time the computer is powered on. The instrument supports 3 remote control interfaces: RS-232, RS-485, and LAN interfaces. All 3 interfaces can operate the SCPI and Modbus R2 protocols. The instrument is equipped with an internal RS-232 interface. Once the instrument receives the correct command, it immediately commences communication with the host at the preset baud rate, while the keyboard is locked. USB usage. Insert the USB drive, and the screen will display USB disk ready. Press the capture button to take a screenshot of the current screen and save it directly to the USB drive in one click. On the settings page, locate USB drive, then enter the data recording page. Use the cursor keys or touchscreen to select empty file to create a new record. Customize the name and then open it. Below the screen, it shows operation successful and then returns to the measurement display page. At the same time, you can also see the location where the data has been stored on the USB drive. After the measurement is completed, select Close Record to save the results. Then, unplug the USB drive and the screen will display a message. The files saved on the USB drive can be viewed on the computer. Please note that before using the USB drive to record data, you need to set the attribute format of the USB drive to FAT32 on the computer. Short circuit reset. Connect the test clips together, with the handles of the same color facing each other. Refer to the illustration. Then, on the settings page, select the Module Short Circuit Reset option. Enter the channel number that needs to be reset and select Confirm. Wait for the operation to complete. Simulation measurement. The simulation measurement prepared a standard resistor. In the video, the comparator parameters, upper limit value and lower limit value will be set respectively, and the display of the measurement result being qualified or unqualified in the result page will be shown. In this demonstration, a buzzer will sound when the measurement result is unqualified.